Want to move like a pro in Apex Legends? Let's talk about wall bouncing, an essential movement trick that'll keep you one step ahead of the competition. First, find a wall. Any flat surface will do. You're going to want to be running toward it at a decent speed. A good rule of thumb is to be running for at least 2 seconds. Jump towards the wall, and then press the jump button again right as you hit it. As soon as you hit the wall, you'll bounce off it. The trick is in timing your jump. Don't hold it down. Tap it right after you make contact to send yourself flying sideways. One very important thing to note is how you approach the wall. The key is to hit the wall on a downwards motion. Having a downwards motion entry allows you to rebound up when your jump hits the wall. If you hit the wall earlier, say at the peak height of your jump, you simply bounce downwards. There. See the difference? Wall bouncing lets you change directions mid-air, making you harder to hit and giving you the edge in any firefight. Mastering this move lets you confuse enemies and keep them guessing. Use it to dodge incoming fire or get the drop on your opponents. So get out there, hit the walls, and start bouncing your way to victory. See you on the battlefield, legends!